This second session of the VocBench trainings is about how to access the data, how to browse, how to search in the data, and what available views you have in the application. So once logged in, select the project from the list of available projects on the top left and click on Access. And then organize in concept schemes that can be only one or multiple. And you can access the list of schemes under the third tab from the left, Scheme. And in order to edit the data, you have to select at least one concept scheme with this button. So switch back to concept, and then you will display the concept in the view that the concept is available in. So if you have a flat list of concepts, they are all displayed in an alphabetical order. And if they have a broader, narrower relationship, so a hierarchical view, then you can also display them in a tree view. That is the case here in this example. So if you click on this expand button, you can expand the list of concepts and navigate through the hierarchy. If you click on one concept, you will see all the properties in a new tab, which opens on the right. First of all, the URI, the unique resource identifier of the concept, and then all the properties that are available. For example, the scheme, the list of schemes that it belongs to, the broader term if it has any hierarchy, and then the list of concepts, the list of labels of the concept, the preferred labels and the alternative labels in all of the available languages that are assigned to the concept. You can also click on the Show All button, and then it's going to display all the languages. And if the concept has other properties such as definitions, start dates, version numbers, and so on, you can also display them here in the view. There are three available views. The resource view that I just showed you, which is useful for managing and for editing the data. Then the second tab is the terminologies view, which is especially made for the linguists, for the terminologists, because it focuses on the languages, so on the labels and on the definitions in the available languages. And the third tab is the code view for the more advanced developers who can edit directly the data in the code. So this is how you browse the data, but you can also search. On the bottom left, you have the search field, and here you can just add the label that you're going to search for. For example, here, climate. Click on the search, and it's going to open the concept that has the preferred label of climate in English. And you also have the availability of using the advanced search or the custom search if you click on this arrow pointing up. In the advanced search, you can apply different settings, such as searching in the notes, in the URI, or in the local name. You can restrict the search to languages, and you can also set the match mode, such as starts with, ends with, and so on. In the custom search, you can apply the already saved particular queries that are saved for the system or for the project. If there are any saved queries, you can also have access to those in the custom search.